Well, thanks for watching the Saska channel.
Welcome to Saska channel, the everything channel for everyday people. Simple drone tips for everyone, but not Miser, the rookie pilot.
Purchase this battery charger for charging the Tello batteries over here. This is my Tello. As you guys know, it comes with that one battery, and the way you normally charge this thing is you have to introduce the battery here, right inside the Tello, and then plug a cable, a USB cable that it doesn't come with the Tello. You have to purchase somewhere, but normally lays around somewhere. So these are readily available in your house. So, and then you connect to it. You connect the power here in the USB, micro USB connector. You connect the cable. Right. Let's see if I can do it. There you go. And then the Tello starts charging. See the light here turns blue. I start blinking blue. Right. So this is kind of annoying because if you have 3 batteries, you have to wait until this battery charges. It takes around an hour and 30 minutes, depends. And then you have to come back later and charge the new one. If I disconnect this, I'll show you the charger. This is very simple. It comes up, I bought it through Amazon. Cost me around 20 euros. And it comes straight from China, and really, it's a very simple device. It says that it has all the power surges, security chips and everything, so it doesn't burn your battery, right? So anyway, I will test it. This is much better. So this is my first time gonna test this thing. I haven't tested before, so I don't know how that is gonna go. So comes in a simple box. I don't have it. It just comes in a simple cardboard box and send it to you. It's been sent to you in the mail, and then it takes about a few days to get in. So it's not bad. I waited I think 4 or 5 days since I purchased. So anyway, it has a normal cable, a power cable here. I'm just gonna connect it to my power connector here. There you go. Then the lights comes in, right, and then green lights meaning they are ready to charge. So according to the instructions, you have to place the battery here, the first battery. So I don't know if that makes any difference or anything, but since I haven't tested before, I'm just gonna follow the instructions. So just insert the battery. See, the first battery comes up red, orange. There you go, orange, and it's telling you that it's charging. So now the good thing about this thing is I introduced the second one, and there you go, it's charging the second one. The second battery is being charged. So nice and dandy. Now it's gonna remove the third battery from the Tello, okay, and insert it in the battery charger. See what it does. Boom. Insert it. Now I have 3 batteries being charged, 3 red lights or 3 orange lights. So hopefully this will charge the batteries. Take 1 hour and 30 minutes to charge the 3 batteries. So hopefully they will charge together at the same time. So for the time of 1 battery, you charge 3 batteries or 4 batteries if you purchase the 4th one. Probably I will purchase the 4th one. I just want to let you know about this little charger. It's very useful. I recommend to buy one of these. Hopefully it will not burn my batteries. It's very useful for charging your Tello and reduce your waiting time for the next flight. So it's very cheap, between 18 and 20 euros for one of these babies. There are different manufacturers, so hopefully you enjoy it, and hopefully this thing will work. I'll let you know. Hello again. So here the batteries are now charged. It took about 1 hour and 30 minutes to be exact, and now I have the 3 batteries charged, which is great. But anyhow, so again, this is a nice little device, nice little charger for your Tello accessory. You will need one if you have more than one battery. Alright, thanks for watching again.